Welcome back. We are joined here with Chef Anthony, and now we are on the final part of this Midwest sushi that he's making. So we've created this specialty rice, the sushi rice. We have a beautiful cut of meat here.
Yes.
And now it's all assembly.
Yep, we're gonna start our assembly. So what we're gonna do, we've let our steak rest a little bit, and I'm gonna cut the end off, and then I'm gonna cut nice thin strips.
Against, or with
the grain.
with the grain.
With the grain this time, because I cut it short across the grain the time previous. So these pieces will be nice and tender when we go to actually put the sushi together.
Oh, they're so cute and thin.
So we're gonna take a little bit of the sushi.
All right.
A little bit of the rice.
It's about like a same as like a dough ball, kind of?
About that. And we're gonna lay it out in the shape that we wanna do it.
Mm-hmm.
Now see, when I used to teach this, we had an administrator at the school who almost everybody comes down. We did cookies yesterday and they were coming out of the woodwork. But we did sushi and he doesn't like sushi, so we made sushi and then we put little goldfish crackers on top of it for him.
That's hilarious.
So,
a lot of people don't like sushi. It kind of freaks them out, the idea of eating raw fish. So this is a great alternative.
Exactly. But you don't have to have raw fish in your sushi. You can do anything that you want, and that's the idea behind this, is just cater it and create it to what you want. Now I put a little bit of corn, a slice of jalapeno.
Oh yeah, and it's beautiful too.
And we're gonna add a slice of Peruvian cherry pepper.
Lovely.
And a little piece of meat right across the top of it.
Oh, that is beautiful.
So that when you set it down and you build your plates up, you end up with this very beautiful little bite to eat.
Perfect, even for serving it as appetizers at a
Exactly.
dinner party. It really is elegant.
So, and you can kind of do whatever you like with these, and you can change the variations with it, but you can also turn this around and put it into one of these bowls and start adding your ingredients on top, so that you can do whatever you want with it.
What about a dip sauce? You know, instead of the soy sauce, could you do like an aioli?
You can do an aioli, a spicy aioli would work really well with this. Little bit of mayonnaise with like a Cajun seasoning blend, or some ground up peppers straight out of your garden. Dry them, grind up the peppers, put them straight in. You can season the rice just a little bit, but wait to season the rice until after you've cooked it.
I love it. Well, this looks absolutely beautiful. I wish you at home could see how cute it is. The presentation is lovely, and it's fun to do.
Oh yes, this stuff's great to work on.
And pretty easy for a quick, easy.
You could throw this together right before an event. If you do like a wine party or you're just doing a little social gathering, you can throw these together. You can actually put all this together and let everybody make their own.
That's awesome. Yes, great
Build
fun
your own
for the
sushi
kids.
bar.
Well, thank you so much, Chef Anthony. And you at home, make sure you check out this great website or great recipe of how to make Midwest sushi. And we'll see you right back here after the break.